A message for children. It's hard to be stuck at home right now, but we want to say thank you because you're being a big helper. When you stay home, you're protecting other people from getting sick. By calling someone you love who's stuck inside, you're giving them a smile, and they need it. When you wash your hands, for like the 100th time today, you're keeping your family safe. And by being brave, you're helping us all be brave. We know it's not easy, but helping will make everything go back to normal again as soon as possible. You're part of a big family of helpers around the world, and you're making a big difference. Find ways to help children feel safe at unicefusa.org/COVID-19.